Hi guys, today we're playing this railroad crossing game. We're gonna go all to USA. Let's try the first one. It better be good because it has an electronic bell. 2 tracks, wow. Ooh. Well, my God. Okay, I'll sit in the living room. Wait. Anyways, I'm in the living room. This sounds good. It's not that bad. Anyways, let's go. You hear the other railroad crossings? What is this? Can you make sound? I'm gonna go all to first person mode. Wait. Wait, what? How did it make that sound? Maybe that's in USA. Is it? Maybe that's in USA. We'll clean you up. Ooh! We don't talk about that. So this has a Colin Hades bell. Oh, that's bad. Look, it just makes a doo 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 doo. Look, just hear it. It's bad. See, it's like bad. So I don't. Yeah. So let's pull you up because you gotta go to school. That's why you gotta pull your gate up. And also, there's no train coming. Oh, do you see the other lane? That's where railroad crossing is. But we need like VIP. Ooh, Colin Hades 4 or something. Wow! Wait, this is in New Zealand. Because I looked at this YouTube video and made the same sound. And it's in New Zealand. And this bell is a fail, like bell fail. I heard it. So I think he didn't know the bell just failed its sound. Let's go in the next one. Ooh, made by Follow Blue Panda, okay. Wow! I think this is good, I saw it in railroad crossing bells and it made the same sound. In electronic bells. So I'm not saying it's not good. It's like awesome. Okay, you go stuck there. Okay, what is this? The same guy. I don't know what to say with this one because. Wait, I think it's bad because it just makes that again the Australia sound and makes that after the Australia sound. Ooh, this is like. What is this? Ooh, this is. I saw it in railroad crossing bells too. As you know, my friend Jack's doing, but. Yeah, this is good. Okay, can you go up? Okay, something's having a problem with this, so don't like to talk about it. Ooh! Well, this is good. It sounds like Czech Republic, but it doesn't. This is good. Okay, let's check you. Ooh, this is good too. I'm not kidding. Okay, don't turn on everything. Oh, I know this one. It lives in Australia, not like in USA. Well, that was still good bell. Wait, did I try you guys? Oh, that's not working. Same sound. What is this? That doesn't make any sound. Wait, it's the same. Okay, what is... Ooh! I'm not... Oh, we're glad. Okay, not bad. What about you? Let's put you up. No, I'm not. Okay, that sounds bad. Okay, what is this? Oh yeah, this game, like, there's another game that makes this sound. It's in Roblox. So probably this is good. Okay. Yep, this, wait. What is that for? I was about to say, yep, this is the same. Ooh, I think it like makes this sound, look. Oh, yep, it does that. So let's do this. No, it's bad because look at its style. Okay. Ooh, okay. Not bad. I say it's medium because it's not good. I just say it's medium. Okay, let's pull you up. Let's go you. What is this? What? That's bad. That's actually in USA. Oh, you're kind of rusty. Yeah, I don't like that bell. I'm not skipping. Oh, the same guy. Wait, is this high-pitched bell? Look, guys, there's a high-pitched bell in USA, you know? Fellow blue panda, though. Ooh, oh my. What's fooling me? Oh, okay. You turn on this, okay? What is this? I know, it's like in Walpole. It's not in USA, it's in Walpole. Look, it's the same thing. Please don't turn off this. Oh my god. Why would he turn? Oh, this is bad. Because the gates are broken. So we won all of the 3 in the USA. So I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.